So we're in Google. Google. Yeah, Google. Not Chrome. Google. Yeah, just Google. I'm feeling lucky. What? Anyways, why is there the 4G Roblox codes? Anyways, my Google account. This Gmail account is wrong. It's supposed to be this one. Yeah, this one. So I will exit now. I think that's all for now. So goodbye.